The authorities have allowed all coronavirus facilities of the cities, the government facilities rather, to engage MBBS students and dental students in 4th and 5th years to assist doctors on duty as per an order that's been issued by the Health Department. Now, recently, following the orders of the government of Delhi, 500 ICU beds, remember, were increased in government hospitals of Delhi. My colleague Akshay Dongre tracking the details of this story, joining us. Akshay, it's a very interesting development that's actually taken place. Dentists in 4th and 5th year MBBS students will now be assisting doctors in their fight against the coronavirus. I mean, this does also in a certain sense go to show that the healthcare system in the national capital is really facing a crunch.
Well, exactly. There is a crunch, and in fact, now all the hospitals, now be it the private hospitals and the government hospitals, are feeling the heat of the rising number of cases of COVID-19. In fact, we have been to several hospitals, and there we have seen that the ICUs have been jam-packed. In fact, even in the Delhi Corona application that was launched by the Delhi government, it shows that most of the private hospitals are working at the full ICU capacity. Yes, there is a war that has been launched by the Delhi government to defeat COVID-19, and several measures are in place right now. Not only the government is trying to enforce rules like wearing masks and ensuring social distancing by increasing the fine, but also awareness campaign has been launched. But this is very important that after adding approximately 411 ICU beds at this time, the plan is to add much more. And also the central government is providing approximately 750 ICU beds with ventilators to Delhi. There will definitely be a crunch of the healthcare experts who will be operating these ICU beds, because even if you increase the ICU beds, where will you get the healthcare workers? So for to battle that crisis, the Delhi government has issued an order to all the Delhi government hospitals stating that they can recruit the 4th and 5th year MBBS student. They can also include the BDS student. Now, of course, they do not have an expertise to say when we are talking about the other senior doctors. So they will be working under the supervision of the senior doctors while providing patient. That is one step. It remains to be seen that when exactly will that process begin, because the orders have just now come in. Since the lockdown is, since the colleges are shut, the students have not been attending the classes. But definitely there will be an uptake in the number of healthcare workers whenever the order is expedited, whenever the entire process is expedited, in fact. And we can see that even right now there is in fact a crunch of not only the ICU beds but the healthcare experts as well.